Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 4th, 1919. Effects of the pains suffered in the will of God. Continuing in my usual state, I was all afflicted because of the privation of my sweet Jesus. I tried, however, to remain united with him, doing the hours of the Passion. It was precisely that of Jesus on the cross, when at the summit I heard him in my interior, joining his hands and saying with articulate voice,
"My Father, accept the sacrifice of this daughter of mine, the pain of my privation that she feels. Do you not see how she suffers? The pain makes her as though lifeless, without me, so much so that, though hidden, I am forced to suffer it together with her in order to give her strength. Otherwise, she would succumb. Oh, please, oh Father, accept it, united to the pain which I suffered on the cross, when I was abandoned even by you, and concede that the privation of me that she feels be light, knowledge, divine life in other souls, and everything that I myself impetrated with my abandonment."
Having said this, he hid again. I felt as though petrified by the pain, and though crying, I said, "My life, Jesus, yes, give me souls, and may the strongest bond that forces you to give them to me be the tormenting pain of your privation. And may this pain run within your will, so that all may feel the touch of my pain, my incessant cry, and may surrender." Then, around evening, blessed Jesus came for just a little and added,
"Daughter and refuge of mine, what sweet harmony did your pain form today in my will. My will is in heaven, and since your pain was in my will, it harmonized in heaven, and with its cry it asked the sacrosanct Trinity for souls. And as my will was flowing in all the angels and saints, your pain asked them for souls, so much so that all remained struck by your harmony, and together with your pain they all cried out before my majesty, 'Souls, souls!' My will flowed in all creatures, and your pain touched all hearts, and cried out to all, 'Be saved, be saved!' This will of mine centralized itself in you, and like refulgent sun, it placed itself as guard of all to convert them. See what great good there is, yet who takes the care to know the value, the incalculable price of my volition?